Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video, I want to talk to you about Rapid Implementation Volume 3, which is all about conversion tactics. Now, as we know, if you're an affiliate and you're just starting out, trying to engage people and get people to actually engage with your content on a regular basis and purchase your products and services is tough. Now, what he's going to show you here is some very, very cool free methods that you can use to build up more of a one-to-one type relationship with your customer base and really get them very, very excited about the types of content that you're going to produce now and in the future. And it's really cool methods here that you can start implementing straight away. Now, as I said, this is the third in the actual series of these, and this is going to be $14.99. Now, I'm going to jump in. I'm actually going to show you what you're going to get for $14.99. But I thought I'd just send you a quick video because I thought there's a really cool way that you can actually get the other two volumes as well, which were $14 and the first one was $2. As well as full access to Taking Action Online only by spending $9 more, which is ridiculous for the actual month of membership you're going to get in Taking Action Online for that $23.50, which is already discounted. And it's a really cool way that you can actually go ahead and get all three volumes, plus you can go ahead and get all of the access to the various things in Taking Action Online. So you'll see actually on this page, and hit the button below this video. If you go ahead and hit that button, you'll go over to Taking Action Online, which I will tell you a quick kind of look around at the end of this video, and you'll see all of the kind of benefits you're going to get for joining that. So rather than pay the $14.99, I would come down to, if you're just going to see this sales page at the time that it actually launches, I would actually come down to here, and where it says Premium Taking Action on Online Member, I would join that for $23 and get all three volumes. For just as far as this one's concerned, just to see the kind of value you're going to get here, Bootstrap Conversion Hacks. Again, this is all about compounding your earning potential without spending a penny, and these are some of Philip's conversion methods that he's taught me as well, and I use on a regular basis. So let's jump straight into the actual rapid implementation itself. As you come down, you see there's 10 actually methods here, and each one of these is a video. So we have videos on WhatsApp and how to use WhatsApp, and with a quite detailed case study there. Personalized call outs, permission-based email marketing, really cool ways that you can kind of get people more engaged in your email marketing. There is a Bootstrap conversion tool there. He recommends a very cool tool that's completely for free, guys. Locking content, how you lock your content, what type of content you should lock, and why it's so powerful. He shows you all of that. Automatic list hygiene. I have an email list, and he's taught me how to do this on a regular basis. You need to make sure that you've got an engaged email list, and he explains to you how you actually do that by doing list hygiene. Repurposing your content, so easy to do. This is, guys, if you have a blog post, how you actually repurpose that into videos, etc. Investing time to become the authority. What kind of things can you actually do on a regular basis to become an authority and really show your audience that you actually understand what you're talking about and they want to get engaged more and more with you? And then there's kind of a rally call at the end, a just do it video, which he really explains to you kind of a mindset thing and how you can actually do this on a regular basis. So that's the products itself. 10 really detailed videos. I just click into one of these and you'll see that it's about 6 or 7 minutes long, this one. They're all various lengths, and also you get case studies underneath many of the videos which actually show you this in action. Very cool, guys. This is a really good product of Bootstrap Conversion Hacks, and at $14.99, this is a steal. This is going to have way more information you're ever going to get in most of the other products that you buy. Okay, guys, so this is the way you can actually go ahead and get the $14.99 product, but you can also get a ton of other value if you decide just for this month to join the Premium Taking Action Online membership program. And then once you see if you like it, you can stick around, because these types of volumes and this type of training get added every single month. So let's just jump into Taking Action Online itself. If I just come into the actual community here, you'll see that inside Taking Action Online, and this is what you get access to for $23, you have the main feed here, which is a Facebook style feed. Really cool. Lots of engagement on here. People are talking all the time. This is where you get advice from. This is where you can post your successes and really get to know like-minded people people. They're all paying customers in this feed, so everybody's actually trying to learn the same kind of information. You can get the Taking Action Online 4.0 roadmap. There's a huge enhancement coming to this now, which is going to make it very, very streamlined, very, very actionable, full of done for you content. If you want to start a business online, you need to jump on this, because Taking Action Online 4.0, the actual enhancements he's going to make are so good, and they're really going to accelerate your progress online and get you build that business very, very quickly. Lots here are on the learning section. You've got the action plan here. Now this at the moment is a 20-step action plan. He is actually trimming this down to 7 steps. The reason he's doing that, as I say, he wants it to make it actionable. He wants to give you done for you content. He wants to give you lead magnets, everything that you would need to actually start building your business online. You also have workshops on a monthly basis. Every single month. The last one was a really cool one by Ken, YouTube Bootcamp 101. Really cool workshop there about how to actually rank videos. One of my videos featured quite heavily in there, which I was quite pleased at. Then you have some previous ones. All of these you can go through and watch again for that $23.50. You have the rapid implementation courses here. Again, these are sold separately. The launch of this is on Monday as I speak today. You can go ahead and get this as part of your membership. You can start the course. Here is a volume 1, a simple income accelerator. Then you have prolific content volume 2, all about how you build content, how you do that fast. And then of course the bootstrap one. You have lots of different courses on here. There is other courses tailored for different types of marketing, which you can go ahead and purchase as well. Everything else inside I've shown you so far is free, guys. And you have some coaching sections in here if you wanted to enhance your knowledge and go into further coaching. None of that's needed initially. You just need to build your business first. Also, you have some really cool resources in here. You have an SEO toolkit, strategy guides, you have a template vault. I just open the template vault off you can see the types of template that you can actually download and use these in your own social media marketing. And again, these are completely done for you and free. Okay, so again, and there is access to an affiliate program. That there'll be more to come on the affiliate program, plus lots and lots of checklists. So guys, I know I've kind of done a whistle stop tour of Taking Action Online. What I want you to get a feel for here is the actual value you can get just by spending $9 more if you're intending to buy volume 3 and you're not part of the Taking Action Online community already. The actual value you can get is absolutely immense, guys. You need to jump on this, even if you only stay for a month, just to take a look around. I have been a member now for now 2.5 years. I've got a business online that makes thousands of dollars online, and it's all to do with Taking Action Online, and it's all because of the information that Philip Barrowman teaches within this. So I would definitely jump on this, guys. But you know, the rapid implementation volume 3, just so you know, is actually going to be released to the kind of general public on Monday. This is a way that you can get it very, very quickly. And just go ahead, you'll see the link. If you're going to watch this on YouTube, I will post this on YouTube as well. Go ahead and click the link in the description below. You come over to this page where there's the review video on, and then just follow the green button and you can go ahead and you can join Taking Action Online. Or you can wait till Monday, guys, if you just want to see this product itself. This is going to be $40.99, worth every single penny. And just come along. There'll be a sales page actually posted that you can go ahead and click on the sales page and go and grab this on Monday. I would definitely go ahead and actually join Taking Action Online, because I think just for the extra $9 you're going to get a ton of value. I hope this is valuable to you guys. If you want to build a business online, this is definitely the place you need to be. Come along and join us. I'll be on inside. I can give you any kind of advice you'll need. And you know, also on the page I'm going to leave this video on, there's some bonuses there that you can go ahead and check out. Until next time, guys, take care.